Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Violet color, black color, orange color, red color, green color, silver color, gold color, pink color, brown color, red color, A for apple, A for ant, red color, B for ball, B for bat, pink color, C for cat, pink color, D for doll, silver color, E for egg, E for elephant, silver color, F for fish, F for football, brown color, Z for goal, Z for God, brown color, H for hen, H for horse, gold color, I for igloo, I for ice cream, green color, J for jug, J for jackfruit, orange color, K for kite, K for kite, orange color, L for light, green color, M for mango, violet color, N for next, N for necklace, violet color, O for owl, gold color, P for parrot, red color, Q for queen, red color, R for rat, pink color, S for snake, pink color, T for tiger, brown color, U for umbrella, brown color, V for vase, silver color, W for watermelon, W for window, X for x-ray, green color, Y for yak, green color, Z for zoo, red color, A, red color, B, pink color, C, pink color, D, silver color, E, silver color, F, brown color, G, brown color, H, gold color, I, green color, J, color, K, orange color, L, green color, M, violet color, N, O, gold color, P, red color, Q, red color, R, pink color, S, pink color, T, brown color, U, brown color, V, silver color, W, silver color, X, green color, Y, green color, Z. Thank you.